This shimmery cat eye gel polish will create a background for the design I'll create with this cream color gel polish, and it will be my first doing a blooming gel effect, and I'll use a dotting tool and possibly a liner brush. These are full coverage clear stiletto nails by DXH Couture. You saw them in my affordable Amazon nail haul. Everything will be listed in the description box for you. And while I start with the cream color polish, hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? And hello if you're new. I just want to say thank you to all of you for being here, because you could be at any other channel, so I appreciate, especially those of you who continue to return and enjoy my art and nails. You guys are so awesome. If you're new, this is Bougie Nails on a Budget and comes to you every Tuesday. There's an extensive playlist that you can also enjoy, which will be linked at the end of this video. So about these polishes, you saw the cat eye in a recent Bougie Nails on a Budget, but the solid color polishes, which are by the same company, I had already opened and started using them when I got them, so there wasn't a nail haul. Here's the second coat. Each nail always gets 2 coats, even if the polish does have a potential for 1 coat coverage. I just feel that any color dominates with 2 coats. And I cure for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp. I love this cream color. It's so smooth and classy looking. So I start with the cat eye for the next 2 nails, and it ended up being a really good match to create this set. And in case you missed the cat eye gel polish unboxing, I'll give you a moment to watch now. Look how lovely the magnetic comes out. This cat eye was affordably priced, and I love the shimmer and jelly look to them. For this one nail, I think I might have did 1 coat because the cat eye will be much covered. I love the faint contrast it gives behind the blooming gel design, which was as simple as laying the blooming gel, then placing the rectangular spots down the nail, decreasing in size. You know, kind of to match the narrowing of the stiletto. They're also going down the side or sides to fill in any open spaces, which I did the pattern off center. If you've been following my channel, you know I tend to do this with designs from time to time for some added interest. Have you used blooming gel? Do you like it? Also, another money-saving tip is to use base coat if you don't have blooming gel. And I credit that to Rochelle's Nail Glam. I'm sure there were others, but that's where I saw it. So beautiful. So there's a blooper in here too. I got to the ring finger and started working a high French cut with 2 layers of the cream polish, which was also outlined with the same cat eye polish. I'll just let you watch while I tell you what happened. Oh, but before I do, the nails I'm wearing, you saw the blue ones in a recent video, and those are acrylic, which will be posted on Thursday. And these pink ones are from my Nails Before YouTube using EC Basket full coverage short coffin nails. So I went in with a matte finish, then cured it for 60 seconds, which I usually cure top coats for 60. Then I began to do the pattern over the matte finish, and it was going really well until I was done laying the pattern, that is. Look at that textured look. And I was only doing it on that one side. After adding some clear acrylic powder to create a 3D effect, I was supposed to cure at this point. I got preoccupied with putting the acrylic powder away because that jar was so huge and I didn't want to knock it over. And just that quickly, I forgot I hadn't cured it yet and came back to the nail and started whisking the excess powder with the brush and caused the design to become smushed, guys. But you know what? I think the two different patterns would have been a bit much anyway, and I didn't want to take away from the feature nail, so I got a new one and did another French cut and matte without the pattern, and I think it looks amazing. For anyone new, Boujee Nails on a Budget has been including toe designs too. Now you'll only see one coat as the other one is done off camera. And the ring toe for this one is going to get matte finish too, while the others get a beautiful glossy look. If you don't want to miss this week's acrylic nails, this one I explain using dual forms with acrylics, so subscribe to my channel and don't miss it. I also added a couple of bronze stones to the French cut of the fingernail, and look how they turned out. There's so many designs in this series, but I think this one took over the true bougie look. Don't you? Do you like it? You can see more Boujee Nails on a Budget by clicking this link, or hit the like button. I really enjoyed your company today and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.